Hey friends, let's grow our brains with another brand new word adventure. Right here on Word Up with Sophia. Today's word is validate. Can you shout it out with me? Validate. Woohoo, let's go. Let's spell it together, nice and slow. Ready? V-A-L-I-D-A-T-E. That spells validate. Great job, superstar. Validate means to check or confirm that something is correct, true, or acceptable. Let's think about that. It's making sure something is really right in real life. Here are some words that mean the same as validate. Say them with me. Confirm, prove, verify, support, approve, certify, justify. Awesome. Now pause and review. Each word gives your brain more power. Now let's look at the opposites of validate. Ready? Invalidate, reject, disprove, deny, dismiss, ignore, object. Great work. Now you know what validate is, and what it's not. Here's how we use it in a sentence. Sophia needed to validate her science results with another test. That means she wanted to confirm that her answer was correct. Let's review. Validate means to confirm something is correct, true, or acceptable. Synonyms: confirm, prove, verify, support, approve, certify, justify. Antonyms: invalidate, reject, disprove, deny, dismiss, ignore, object. Wow, you're becoming a word master. Every time you learn and use a new word, your brain gets stronger and smarter. Keep going, you're unstoppable. Here's your challenge. Try using the word validate with a family member, a teacher, or a friend today. See if they know what it means, and teach them if they don't. Validate is more than a word, it's a superpower. It helps you prove ideas, check facts, and make sure things are true. That's a skill you'll use for the rest of your life. I'm so proud of you. You're learning, growing, and shining brighter every day. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and get ready. Because tomorrow, another exciting word adventure is waiting for you.